Or you can pick a market that you want to trade for a bit of fun.
Any markets?
Yeah, any markets. The ones that we do at the moment are the European stock market, the EU 350. We've got the S&P 500. We've got some currencies there, and when they open, we've got some gold and some oil. So here's the euro. So we're going to pick this one.
Okay.
So bang, out pops what's known as a bet pod. So this is basically a little trader's screen. And if you wanted to think that the euro is going to fall versus the dollar, just click where you think the market's going to close during the day. So that's the end of the day where the little blue line is.
Yeah.
That's how it's trading through the day. So now if you want to make a bet, I think it's going to close between those 2 points.
Right.
You can do that for a bit of money. Click on there, 20. So let's say you want to put £20
yeah.
that's going to close between those 2 points. Because it's pretty much a sure thing, if you're right, you'll take £26.57 home.
Right.
But if you think it's going to go even further down, you can just grab this button, pull it down there. Now, if it goes down into that little gap, which is a bit tighter, you'll win £88, now £90. So that's where I think it's going to go. I think it's going to go down there. So when you're ready to bet, you just simply press the button. Boom.
And that's it.
So
that's your bet there at the bottom.
Yep. And if it's moving in the right direction, in other words, this begins to plot downwards between those 2 points, that number is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And eventually the maximum you can go to is £80, which is pretty good. Now if you wait a bit, you might see a profit there. And if you do see a profit or a loss, you can just close the position out whenever you feel like it. Let's say you've changed your mind, you don't like this trade, and it's going against you, which it is, that one.
Yeah.
Let's close that one. Just hit the button and then boom.
So how long would you have to wait? Is that to the end of the day, or?
Yep, that's just the end of the day to see that it actually closes, and then if you win, that amount is just credited to your account. There's another one. So you can do multiple bets, multiple markets. It's nice. It's a bit like Windows. Super easy. And if you want to, you can look at your statement. You can get statements for up to 5 days ago. Boom, there you go. And those are all live. You can print those out. So you can keep an eye where you're going. But if you lose, let's say you put a bet on, you forget all about it or go to the shops, unlike spread betting, where you could lose a fortune because you've forgotten about it, here you can't lose more than what the bet is. And so it's basically giving you what bankers have had for years to people like you and me.